But if a woman have long hair, it is a glory to her, for her hair is given her for a covering. 1 Corinthians 11:15. Bless them, my loves. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chantal. So this is my daughter Amira's hair. Her hair is so dry and thirsty. I'm about to wash it, deep condition it, and then put it try a wash and go on her hair for the very first time. So this recipe of how I made this deep conditioner, I'm going to share that in another video later on. That will be coming up after this video, so stay tuned. You want to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell button so that YouTube is going to notify you every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much. So right here, I'm just going ahead and wash her hair. I've already freshly washed her hair, prep her hair, and detangle it and put it in 4 sections. So this is my first time trying out a wash and go on my daughter's hair. I was really amazed by the result, guys. It's always good to give different styles a try. I always usually just avoid like too much manipulation on their hair, so I always just put it in simple styles, like put it in 4 sections and then do twist and then add beads on them. But I was so shocked by the result I got. So I'm just using the hair mousse. I'm gonna show you all the hair mousse that I'm using right now. There it is. That's the hair mousse I'm using. I used that on my daughter Amaya's hair for the first time when I did her a Pemrod set. I'm just gonna flash the video, that video right here. You could watch that, and it came out bomb. So I wanted to try the only mousse trend that was going on in natural hair care. So there you can see her curls are popping up. I apply a lot of the hair mousse on the hair because other videos I've watched, everybody kept saying that you have to put a lot of just saturate the entire strands of her hair with the mousse, so that way the mousse is gonna help it just coat the entire hair and help her hair to be in different lumps or bring the coils together. That way you can shingle and naturally where the hair naturally separates, and it coats the hair very well. When it dries out, you could see her curls popping. So I'm just finger coiling, shingling and finger coiling with my finger to ensure that her coils stay or last longer, to extend the coils right to the tip of her hair, like so. There you go. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward this entire process. I did this like shingling and applying the product for about 4 hours because I started around 5 p.m. and I was able to finish around 9 p.m. So I'm just gonna fast forward this entire process while I repeat the steps so you guys could just follow on and watch.
It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers, don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers, don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive.
Now this is how far we've gone. I noticed that as I was going further to other sections, the other side of her hair was getting dry, and you could see that it was not really, the mousse was not really holding. I'm just in the bottle, the pink bottle is just water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner that I mixed together to spray on her hair, wet her hair a little bit more before applying the hair mousse all over her hair. So I'm putting a generous amount right there in my palm and just saturate and coat our entire hair, that section, all of it, from her roots right up to her ends. And then while I'm doing that, I'm finger detangling, making sure I'm finger detangling her hair, making sure every strand of her hair is covered by the product. And you can see I detangled her hair while I was washing her hair, but her hair, for some reason, 4C hair, they just love to be together. They were still close together, tangled up together. So I have to go in, finger detangle, and then shingle and try to twirl her hair around my finger to be able to achieve that, so the coils can be clumped together. So like so. So right here you could see in the other sections it's already drying up a little bit. I was really heavy-handed, guys. I was really heavy-handed because I really wanted her curls to pop. But now also I noticed a difference with these mousse, because the first time I ever used it on my daughter's another daughter's hair, Amira, I could feel between my fingers the stickiness. That's the gel that was used, or maybe the foam in the hair mousse, the stuff that will help to pull the hair together. It was really strong. I don't know, maybe for some reason, as so many natural hair vloggers or YouTubers have hyped this a lot, and maybe they've changed a little bit of the composition or how the product works, because I noticed that I didn't feel the product was doing enough, so I kept on going in again with the product, like you see right here, to really coat her hair again. There's some spots you see I'm going back in to apply the mousse again on her hair to make sure that it's completely coated and covered with the product. So that's one thing I want to say. I've noticed a difference with this one as compared to the first time I ever used it. That should be about a couple of months ago, or probably last year. I'm just gonna check. You see in this video, I'll leave the the video I'm talking about how I did a Pemrod set for the first time on my daughter's hair. I'm gonna link it down below. You want to check that out. So I noticed a huge difference with that and this one right now. So there was a hype a lot about people using just the mousse to do wash and goes, and the results are amazing because it doesn't leave any product build up, and when your hair dries out, it's soft and fluffy and it just flows, so which is good. It's not heavy on the hair, as opposed to using a cream and a gel, the wet line gel, like what people normally used to do. So this is my first time and we're done right here. I'm just going in again, applying a generous amount again, heavy-handedly, to make sure that I get her curls popping. Okay, and we are done with the shingling and picking out her curls, and that is about it. And this was around 9. Yeah, so her hair was so thick. She has type 4 thick 4C hair. Like, she has a lot of hair. I tell her, Amira, can you give me a little bit of your hair? Oh, my cute baby. So we're gonna go ahead right now to dry her hair, and then I'm gonna use the new Pantene dry hair dryer that just came out to dry her hair. I would have loved to air dry her hair, but then it's already nighttime and it's already bedtime actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you all this. That's the hair dryer right there from Pantene. I love this hair dryer. I already did an unboxing and a first impression review on this. Check it out in my list of videos. I'm just going to link that down below as well if you really want to see the unboxing and everything. So here it is. I'm putting it to use. I'm just turning. It has the section for the temperature and also the section for the fan. I'm going with a cool setting. There you go. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dry her hair like so. Guys, bear with me. This is my first time. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I was just doing try and error, and and just going. Yeah, so if you haven't joined the family, please go ahead and do that. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment, and also if you're a fan of natural hair care, wig reviews, vlogs, motherhood, clean with me. In fact, I do a little bit of everything. So if you love stuff like this, please be sure to join the family by hitting that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for doing that, and God bless you for doing that, and know that you're always welcome here, and love you always. So we're done almost. That's her hair, and it's almost dry. So I'm just going in right now to style her hair. Yeah, so we're almost done. So her hair is like 80% and like 85 to 90% dry. There she is. Get her edges and just push the front part of her hair to the back. Alright, and I'm gonna tie it down and section the hair into different parts and then put her hair bonnet on. Turn around. So far this is what I've been able. So I'm gonna show you all like tomorrow morning because it's already nighttime. Turn around.
And don't forget my birthday. And click at the side.
Alright. Don't worry, you'll see all those things tomorrow, okay?
Look.
So there she is. Her hair is so gorgeous. I love how it turned out. I can't wait to take pictures with her tomorrow. I used the so here guys, good morning. So this is the next day, is the next morning. So we're about to take off this hair bonnet and let's see how her hair is doing. This is the day after Valentine's Day itself. I think should be Wednesday actually. So she got her Valentine's Day gown together, kisses and huggies. She's saying love you all and thank you all for watching her videos. So I'm just taking down, I just use a certain hair tie. I just put her hair in different sections, like just up in a pineapple form. So I'm just using my fingers to shake her hair and loosen up her curls a little bit, using my hands, just fluffing her hair and making sure I shape it, because you know our hair will be just when you sit in one section it just glues together. So I'm just shaking it up, shaping it and fluffing it, and there you go, you're gonna see the finished product. So I just kept fluffing and shaping her hair, making sure that I get it to the right shape. She is 3 years old, but she's gonna turn 4 this March. So I'm just going in with the heat again, because I've watched other natural hair YouTubers where they, when they do wash and go, they stretch their edges, the roots rather, to have length. So that's what I'm about to do. I didn't do it that much, so I just went ahead and stretch her roots a little bit, just some sections, like in the section in the front and the back, so that it would lay and shape it very well. So I'm going in to fix her edges again to really lay down using the ebony edge control. Right there, I bought that at the beauty supply store. And PS, I'm gonna link everything I'm using down below. You could buy them at the Amazon. You can order them from Amazon, or you could buy them at your local beauty supply store. Whichever option you want to do, you could do what's best for you and where the price is favorable to you. But know that you can check this description box down below. I'm gonna link everything I'm using right here down below for you all, so if you can click the link and buy it. So we're almost done right here. She's looking all cute. Now I'm gonna spray her hair with this shine gloss from, it smells so good, guys. So just add shine onto her hair. There you go. And I have this little gold flowers thingy, so I'm just gonna add these accessories onto her hair, so she's gonna look a little bit much more cuter. There you go. And she's already feeling herself there. And we're done. We finally made it to the end of this hair tutorials. So just gonna show her, that's her hair, guys. It came out gorgeous. It has so much hair, so full, so fluffy, lightweight, no build-ups. That's amazing. Will I be trying this again? Yes. Now I'm gonna give you all like tips. Please, if you want to try this, ensure that you deep condition your hair. Make sure your hair is super duper moisturized. That way you can achieve the best and bomb wash and go ever. That's my take. Make sure that your hair is loved and taken very good care of before you try a wash and go. So cute.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know.
Look at the before and the after. It's amazing. It's so amazing. Her hair felt so soft and fluffy. It's not crunchy at all. And you can see her shake it, and yeah, and it's lightweight. That's a good thing about the mousse, only mousse, which is good. I'll be trying it. There she is. So the rest of the video is just gonna show you all like how she's enjoying her hair outside, or just taking her pictures and videos, because the hair was so cute. I've never seen my daughter's hair this gorgeous and this fluffy and full. This was an attempt that was a great result at the end. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, love you all and God bless. Bye guys.
What's your type? Somehow I want